guys, and welcome back to another episode of When We're How Brunch at Tiffany's edition. So it's Sunday, it's brunch, and Sundays are for brunch. So today I felt like being a little southern and kind of making like a sweet iced tea. So I decided to make like a sweet iced tea, but a bourbon and brandy sweet iced tea. B&B sweet iced tea. I just felt like doing that today. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need bourbon, you're gonna need brandy, right? So the brandy that I'm using is Christian Brothers Honey Brandy, and of course I'm using Evan Williams bourbon, right? And I'm using my homemade mint simple syrup that I made. I would definitely put those ingredients and directions on how to make that in the description box. And I'm using a homemade sweet iced tea that I made. I'll definitely put that also in the description, how to make that homemade sweet iced tea. And I'm just gonna use some fresh mint to garnish my drink. So, like I said, I already put my sweet iced tea in my shaker. I'm going to use some good old brandy. So we're gonna pour some brandy in here. Remember, however you want your brunch to be is however much you're gonna put, right? So we use that. I'm gonna use a little bourbon. It's nothing like having like an iced tea that's been spiked, honestly, because it's just so good. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of my mint simple syrup in here, which is like really, really good. And it's healthy because it's herbs, right? You know that girl likes to put fruit and herbs in something and say it's healthy. That's all you need. So I'm just gonna shake this up a bit. Let those flavors mix in there. I know you're wondering why I'm doing this with two hands, because this is glass and this is like heavy. This is a heavy shaker, right? So we're gonna pour this oh so lovely. Fill it to the top. Gonna add some garnish in here. My mint, my sexy little mint. Oh, we lost the leaf, it's okay. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. B&B sweet iced tea. Sweet iced tea. Cheers. This mint smells so good. My gosh, that is amazing. I'm gonna have to call somebody over for brunch because I cannot be the only person that drinks this, because this is amazing. Like, you don't even understand how amazing this is. Guys, if this is your first time checking out any video, or if it's not even your first time and you haven't subscribed yet, you need to subscribe. Like right now, click it right now. Stop what you're doing. Click it. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Definitely come back on the next video. The next brunch at Tiffany's, we may have a feature, you know, a little guest at Brunch at Tiffany's. We like to have guests here. Come on by if you want to come on by and have brunch with me. Brunch at Tiffany's. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.